do you feel?
Well, obviously, I'm happy.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this has always been the dream.
All right.
Yeah, it is not, when you are in a career,
Yeah.
you need
Speak to your mind.
You need someone or a platform that is going to support you.
Beautiful.
Makes it easier.
Beautiful.
So to be here, I'm very happy.
All right. Thank you very much, DAMMYLUV. Self-introduction. Can you introduce yourself to us?
My name is DAMMYLUV Ogumuyiwa, aka DAMMYLUV, born and brought up in Lagos, Nigeria.
All right. So, what's your stage name, and what is the artistry behind your stage name? What I mean by artistry behind your stage name is what prompted you, what's the creativity behind your stage name?
Okay, that name has been with me for a while, but there were times the name is DAMMYLUV, but there was a time I was not using it. I was looking for probably a better one to think like that. So, but a couple of my friends, they said my music is always most time about love.
Oh.
That they prefer that DAMMYLUV, and
Okay.
I initially created that name with my own name, DAMMYLUV. So and love. So that was what brought it.
Okay.
DAMMYLUV.
All right, that's fine. So you're a lover boy, in other words.
Sometimes I won't like to admit that immediately.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have DAMMYLUV in the building. He's right here, and DAMMYLUV is actually the winner of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 5. And just in case you do not know what AFROMUSIC Talent Show is all about, AFROMUSIC Talent Show is an online competition proudly hosted by the Elegant Empire Music and Films to reveal and unleash to the industry credible and upcoming artists who have a lot of talents, but yet they do not have a formidable platform to explore. So Elegant Empire, being a management company, set aside this competition to help give these artists the opportunity to live their dreams. And then the season 5 of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show brought about DAMMYLUV being the grand winner of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 5. Congratulations to you, DAMMYLUV.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome, DAMMYLUV. Let's step into the next question. What was your experience while competing in the competition? How did you feel when the competition started and during the competition?
Well, thank God we are here already, but to think I was going to be the winner, it is no joke. There are some strong competitors on that contest.
Yeah,
I won't deny that. But let's just say the stars are aligned. So because something happened and it led to something, and that was how we got here. Because initially I was not around, so I went out to Ozu. So, and to think of it, I was already in this competition season 3.
Hey, yeah, I can remember.
So I did not win. In fact, I did not vote at all because the capital was not available.
Yeah.
So this season 5, I was not around. So when I came back home, I went straight to my dad and I said, it's like this music. It is my only passion. If you ask me of any other thing to do, it is not going to work.
Wow.
I think this is my only
where
passion.
You belong. Yeah.
Yes, this is where I belong.
All right.
So he gave me money initially to support. I did not even know this was going to come true.
Wow.
So I was at that process when I saw this competition again. So I said, let me try my luck with the little I have for now, because I was doing it step at a time.
Yes.
So it was the money. I took a big risk. Yeah, I had to put it all in. Yeah, so I'm grateful to God. I'm grateful to the platform, because I believe one step at a time and the stars get aligned. When it is your time, it is your time.
Definitely.
There's nothing the devil or anyone can do. So I'm happy to be here.
Thank you very much, DAMMYLUV. It's a pleasure to have you. All right, so the next question is that how did you feel when you were announced the winner of the competition?
Well, there have been surprises throughout the competition. People you wouldn't even believe coming straight up. Well, I was praying and I was scared because I know I was taking a big risk. Because the money could have gone like that.
Definitely.
And I was not seeing the management. I was not seeing
anybody.
But I had to take that leap of faith. And so when I heard the results, I was eager. I felt like I'm the first person to see it because it has not even been uploaded on the platform. I've been on YouTube. I've seen it.
Okay.
I've seen it on YouTube. Yeah.
So before we posted it on the platform.
Yes. So I already know I won.
Wow.
Before it was on the platform.
Wow.
So, but the glory is for God.
Yes, definitely. So in other words, you were excited, you were happy that your dreams have actually come true.
Yes, I'm very happy, I'm very excited. As you can see, it has not been an easy journey.
Definitely.
Yeah. It has not been easy.
All right, Mr. DAMMYLUV, thank you very much for your statements. We are super excited that you emerged the winner of the Afro Music Talent Show Season 5, and we pray that God should continue to elevate you and take you to greater heights. Success shall continuously be your portion from now on henceforth. All right, so the next question we have for you is, how long have you done music professionally?
I have many daughters at home. I've been writing my songs. It was not really, I've never had time to go to studio.
Wow.
Until maybe about 2-3 years ago, before I could go to studio. Professionally, I started music, going to studio this year.
Wow, 2024.
Yes.
All right.
Just this year.
Beautiful.
I started studio.
So how many tracks have you gotten out there?
Just one.
One track, one beautiful track. And this platform is going to actually help you out getting a lot more tracks out there. And you viewers watching us right now, if you're wondering the kind of talents that DAMMYLUV have in store, I want to tell you that you ain't seen nothing yet, because his passion come together with the passion and the professionalism in Elegant Empire Music and Films is going to blow your minds. Just be in anticipation for blockbuster sounds, beautiful songs from DAMMYLUV. All right, so the next question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
Taking it one step after the other. I wish to be great, which is the dream. Yeah, I see myself great. I see myself popular, famous.
Beautiful.
Because efforts coming together should pay off eventually.
Definitely.
By God's grace.
Definitely.
So I hope that in 5 years' time, who knows, maybe this interview might be in another continent.
Definitely.
Yeah, so that is the dream. I'm not going to deny.
Yeah.
So in 5 years' time, by the grace of God, I want to be big.
All right, DAMMYLUV, thank you very much. And then, what's your expectations from the Elegant Empire Music and Films now that you are under our management?
With what I've seen so far, I see that Elegant Empire is ready to push. We upcoming artists, we that are passionate about our dreams, and if we bring two passions together, yeah, it should. I expect something big.
Definitely.
Yeah, because they will be working with me. So for them to, it is like they are taking a risk because they don't know how talented I am. Just like I took the risk to
vote when they did not even see
when I
us.
have not even met anyone from the management.
Sure.
So with this faith, I believe something good should come up.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Definitely. All right. So the second to the last question is that what are we expecting from you? All right. What are we expecting from you? Is there any new project? Is there any projects that we are supposed to be expecting from you? The viewers out there are expecting something from you. What can you tell them that you're currently working on right now that they should look out for?
With Elegant Empire, with their support, I think people should relax a bit now, but they should expect an EP. Yeah, definitely. Even before this platform, I'm always working. Yeah, maybe it is going to happen, it is not going to happen. I'm always writing songs for my me, just doing something. So now that this platform is here, I believe that something is coming out. Just
big time.
Yeah.
All right.
So something is coming out. Just expect it.
All right.
And we hope not to disappoint.
Definitely. All right, DAMMYLUV, it was nice having you. So what's your last word for your fans, family, friends, all your supporters, and all the people who voted for you for this competition? What can you say to them?
Thank you to all my supporters. You brought me here. I'm very grateful. And to my fans, yeah, you won't be disappointed. Yes, that's, I assure you. And we should, don't worry, let's not talk too much so it doesn't look like we are going to fight ourselves our way off with words. So just expect something good. Just be ready to get your mind blown. Yeah, if you go to my Instagram, my bio is I'm blessing you through your eardrums.
Wow.
So I think that should happen in a bit.
All right, viewers, ladies and gentlemen all over the world, wherever you're watching us from, it is a nice time out here in the studios of Elegant Empire Music and Films, having Mr. DAMMYLUV, the grand winner of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 5, down here with us today in the studio. It was nice having you, Mr. DAMMYLUV.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for stopping by in the studio today, and we look forward to working with you and taking you greater heights. All right. Okay, viewers, catch you next time. My name remains Elegant Akpabio, and I am your host and also the MD and CEO of Elegant Empire Music and Films. I'll catch you later. Peace out.